name is Patrick O'Sullivan. I'm a manufacturing technician at Intel. You'll essentially meet up with the full team and you'll see what the work is to be passed down from the previous shift. At the beginning of the shift, there'll be a division of the work, depending on numerous things, depending on what training opportunities you need, depending on what skills are needed at what times of the day. Obviously, you try and concentrate your more kind of experienced staff for the more complex jobs, and then obviously if there's any training opportunities, you'll try and link that up with that as well. Everyone typically meets up at the end of the day, comes to a general consensus of what work was done that day and what information needs to be passed down to the shift following. As a manufacturing technician, you have to be relatively good with your hands. You know, a lot of the things that you might have studied in college, if you'd have come from an engineering kind of a background, these are things that will come relatively naturally to you. And then people skills are always very important as well. In a workplace, you're going to be working with all sorts of people, and it's just good to be able to interact with them. I went to college in DIT Bolton Street. I studied automation engineering. 1 year in, I decided automation engineering just wasn't to my liking, so I switched to mechanical engineering. So I went through to get the level 7 essentially. I did 1 year of my level 8, and then I decided that I had enough of college at that stage. I then put CVs out, and I was working in a mine briefly in a safety office, and then I got the job with Intel, and it's been pretty good since. It's to push yourself and to go outside your comfort zone, and to not be afraid to engage with people, because generally people are very friendly and they're there to help you. So get out of your box a little bit and get a little bit more engaged. Flexibility within the job. So like my primary role would be a manufacturing technician, but you can find yourself in any variant of the role. Your primary tasks are to maintain the tools or to maintain the machines, but I've found myself of recent using CAD, using 3D printers. I'm coming in next Tuesday and I'm doing training on 3D printers. I'm working with augmented reality, so there's the scope within the job is, as far as I can see, endless. I personally was always required to come in on site, although only very recently I have been posed with the opportunity of working from home. It's not something I chose to avail of, but as far as I can see, the people who can avail of it do, and they like the ability to be able to work from home. It gives them better flexibility within their lifestyle. It allows them to better manage their home life in conjunction with their work life. It's definitely going to be a part of the way we work in the future, so why not embrace it?